Welcome to Absolute Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today we're making another drink that we've already made again. This is going to be the third time we've made it, but it's the third variation. We have got the peach on a beach. So you guys have been asking for quite a lot of peach drinks, so that's what we're going to do. So we're going to be making you a sex on the beach, but this time we're not going to be doing the shaken version. We're going to be doing the fluffy orange version, but the only thing we're going to change is the vodka. Usually we have like just plain vodka, but with the peach vodka, mixing with the peach liqueur, it tastes like a really peachy sex on the beach. You've asked for it, you're going to get it. Let's get into it. Don't forget, if you're liking these recipes, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe because we need all the subscribers we've got. Let's get into it. So this is a built drink, so we're gonna build it directly in here, and it's just equal parts pretty much apart from our peach liqueur. We usually start with the cheapest ingredients first, but not with this drink because we're just gonna build it up. So we're actually gonna start with the liquor. So first up, always making two drinks. We're gonna be doing 15 mils of peach liqueur or peach snaps. That's gonna go directly into the drink. Next up, we're gonna take Absolut Peach. New bottle, new flavor, you know this. We want 30 mils of Absolut Peach going in. Beautiful. The next special ingredient, which is a big red subscribe button. Don't forget to subscribe. We need 30 mils of good fresh cranberry juice going in. I say good fresh cranberry juice, I mean fresh from the carton. And this is it, we're almost there. The only thing we need to do now is top this up with a little bit of orange juice, but you know how I like to make my juice fluffy. We're gonna throw it into the centrifuge and get that real nice fluffy orange. We're gonna see if I can peel oranges today, because you've seen I really can't peel oranges. We're looking to try and get roughly about 30 mil, so 1 orange per drink should be suffice. You'll notice I've not iced up the glass yet. That's because we don't want to dilute while we do this. If you centrifuge your juice and leave it to one side, you'll notice that that fluff and that air will disappear, so you won't get fluffy juice. Still good juice, but if you want it fluffy, you want to do it directly to water. You can push him directly in. We got one down. Let's do one more. Try a knife, it's not a bad idea. I hate it when you're right. Makes me look bad. So we're gonna make that orange juice right now. Super fluffy. Now we're gonna ice up. Okay, we wanna top that up with some nice fluffy orange juice, fresh from the fruit. If you have some peaches lying around, garnish with a nice slice of peach, but please guys, only use peach if you've got it lying around. Don't be buying peaches just to garnish. We're gonna do a nice little slither like that. I'm gonna go like that. I know you just had some oranges, so feel free to also just do a little orange slice or wedge or orange zest if you've got that lying around, because you have just juiced all those oranges. And again, we have comments about why did I originally shake her Sex on the Beach, because I'm gonna stir it anyway so I can taste it. Otherwise, it just tastes like orange juice on the top. I'm Rico, this is Absolute Drinks with Rico. That's the peach on the beach, guys.